is where you sign in. All right, this is the live site, so it's going to be hard for me to buy anything without paying for it, but you search, okay, through Open Ice. All right, you can also search by facility, rink, location, program, or organization. Everything in the database is searchable. All right, I'm looking for a slot at Sono Ice House, so I type in Sono. All right, the couple slots at Sono show up in Connecticut. All right, I select it. I hit book. This is Open Ice. I go continue. All right, this is where the waivers and insurance, okay, is loaded. All right, I hit continue here. I tell them what I'm doing with it. Hockey for the kids. I can invite my friends here by email and text. And then this is where next I would provide my payment information, which I'm not going to do right now because this is the live site. When I buy it, it goes into my slots. All right, and then from there, if it's Open Ice, I can edit it, okay, to a program and sell spots. Say I'm running a hockey clinic or a camp, whatever that may be. You have your transaction list, okay, of the different things that you've bought. For example, you can see, okay, I bought Open Ice here at Sono Ice House. I edited it to a pond hockey and I sold spots, okay, to these individual users. All right, this is the home, back to the home screen. All right, your filter conditions by rink name, program type, date range. You can advance filter, okay, by price and birth year. All right, this is the create a schedule. All right, you can create a schedule of Open Ice, all right, at the given rinks, all right, or you can create a spot of Program Ice. Program Ice is more of where you're selling spots for individual camps, clinics, lessons. All right, you have your time zone. Like if I'm in California and I'm coming back to New York and I want to book a spot, I can book it in the right time zone. You can do recurring, all right, you can do custom, and you can select your, your type, whether this is a hockey clinic. Right now I'm on the creation side. All right, I'm gonna make the spots infinite. All right, the start time is the 23rd at 12 p.m. All right, to 2 p.m. All right, this is a program ice. Again, I'm going to pick the dates. I've got to be in between. Okay, I've got to change this to the 30th. So now I can pick 3 days in between, okay, the 23rd and the 30th, and they'll populate. The price for this program is $100, and there aren't any age barriers. And then I can publish it to the public, organization, or custom users. All right, I hit publish. It goes into the available pool of ice in the home screen, or the available tool of inventory in the home screen. All right, you've got your invoices all right here. You've got your transactions, as I showed before. The notifications on the system when anything's bought or sold is immediate via email and text. You've got all your facilities that you work out of right here. I'm an organization account, so I have a Chelsea Piers, Northford, Sono, and my UCell team that I'm operating from this account. Basically, that's a quick rundown for an organizational account. If you want to see a facility account, okay, very similar, but in full control as the facility. All right, you can see your booked slots, going forward, your available slots in the open market, and similar to the organization, you can see all of the above over here: notifications, invoices, transaction schedules, and home. Now, one thing that you can do once you own ICE is you can first off, when you set up a rink, you can partition out the rink into halves, quarters, and thirds. And when you set up your rink, you'll see this rink has been partitioned out into 13 different rinks because it's partitioned into smaller surfaces. Also, if I'm an organization that owns a bunch of ice, or I can create subschedules within that block of ice for different programs. And any remnant ice that I have left over, I can then create a schedule of open ice or open ice to put back into the market in the available pool. So basically, your available is anything in the open market, your booked is anything that you're selling that's booked, and your slots is anything that you're working on that you currently own. All right, you've also got the grid view, where you hover over and you get a picture if I want to see where this is at, what it is, if it's a program, being sold by an organization or a customer. Okay, it will say, well, if this will show the rink, but if it's a program, you can advertise your program right here. Okay, I click this I see a picture of the rink. And then from the customer side, okay, one last thing, your settings. Okay, you can set up, schedules where you're a booking, or I'm the seller or the buyer. Notifications. Okay, this is basically all your notifications, which are very important because the way it's done now is in the Ice Age.